Hello, I'm going to show you how to record a parent-teacher conference in FACS SIS or RenWeb 1 as we know it. These conferences could be either in person, a phone conference, or an email. So to start off, I'm going to click on our three lines here to bring up the menu, and I'm going to go to Students. Once my student list has come up, I'm going to select the student that I'm going to record the conference for, and on the right hand menu I'm going to choose PT Conference. And as they say in all the best cooking shows, here's one I prepared earlier. So let's take a look at this one, and we'll click on the pen here to edit it. So this is what the details of the form look like. The date, reported by, which will default to yourself, the type of conference, and our choices are phone, in-person conference, or email. This one is an email conference. And then you need to give your entry a subject. The next thing is to select whether it is an academic entry, is it about conduct, or is there another reason? And if you check other, as this one has, then this field is for you to put the details of the other selection. So then we move down to observations. And this is a predefined list that you can choose one or more from. This list is customizable and we can add to it. Then put in your observation details. And then after that, your recommendations. And then if there is a parent reaction or comment, you can fill that in here. Once the form is complete, you can save and close. This information is not visible to the parents. They cannot see this. It does not get emailed to them. It is only for internal record keeping. So if we want to add another conference for this student, we click on the plus sign here. And so it defaults to today's date, it defaults to you. We can put in the type, maybe this was going to be an in-person conference, and maybe it was going to be about bad grades. In this case it's an academic, and we don't need to put anything in reason. Our observation is low grades, and then after that you can put in your observations, your recommendations, and your parents' reactions and comments, and save and close. These two buttons here, View by All Staff and View All Years, they are only available to administration. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you.